welcome and thank you for coming to my prep. Thank you everyone so much for coming to today's prep. Thank you so much for all your support. So, in this video, I am doing another sponsored video, a collabs review from Second Time. Coeebags, that are you. Thank you so much, Coeebags, that are you, for your generosity. Thank you for your trust in my channel. So, a little bit of information about Coeebags, that are you, everyone, is this is a luxury online replica store, as you have all known about that. Another information about Coeebags, that are you company, they accommodate your own style, your wish of design, they will do that. So you can DM them. I will put all the link necessary you guys to know all the details. So whatever wish, design, style you wanted to your bag, PM, this is the right company to reach out. Okay guys, Coeebags products are created, meticulously crafted by their skilled artisan with a very created, replicated to the original bags. So this is how Coeebags company created their replica bags. Sorry for that. So as I've said, I will put the link below for more information, and it's not too late yet, guys. Their Halloween promotion, Great Deal, is still ongoing up until November 5th. So hurry, go check their website and do some order. And on top of that, I do have another discount on top of their sale. Great deal, guys. I have coupon to use with your purchase. What do you think? So without further ado, I am super excited to do my unboxing. I've got this, so let's jump into unboxing. See me more in the inside of this, and I will do a try on to this at the same time too. Okay? This is it. Oh. Sideways. All right. Let's carry on. So this is it, guys. I do love the material. It's a soft leather. As you can see that's very obvious. I love this one. The color gold looks like a 21K gold. It's not too shiny, which is I do love it. And I have the inner packet for a very important stuff, and it has a logo name on it, and zipper slides perfectly, guys. This, honest to God, this is my first time I open up this bag, so we can see what is in the inside. I mean the stitches, how perfect, how detailed the stitches in this. See, it has a heavy duty material, this one. Stitches, everything is in the right place. It's stitched perfectly though. And I love this bag when we're going for a shopping. We can have small stuff inside it, fit in this bag, right? We can use this in the office too. We can use this to all the students. Well, they can use this too. Nothing's wrong with that. It fit. The inside can fit lots of stuff. I hope you can see this clearly. See, you can see that big, huge. Smells real leather. As I've said, it stitched in the right place. See? With this perfect little pouch, we can put our makeup, personal stuff, ladies, right? So we can have this. And I do love the color of the gold, as I said earlier. The color isn't that too bright gold. These colors like a 21K or 23K. Does it 24K? It says, well, I only have 21K color, I think so. That's not too bright. I do love the design, the style of this. I am loving this. Super. So this is it. As I've said, this is good when you are going for a shopping. This has a lot of stuff that can fit in. Very obvious. I do love this when I'm going for a shopping. Small stuff can be in this. So, well, students can have this too. If you have a little laptop and going to school, yeah, why not? Office work, girl, ma'am, we can have this too. I can use this in my workplace too, but no, not really. I do love this when I'm going for shopping. I'm going somewhere. Very perfect. Super. I love this one. Right? Let's go shopping. Try this on. What do you think? The bag's name is YSL Rive Eye Care Maxi bag. So this is what I've got. And I believe this cost 20,600 Hong Kong dollar for the price of this bag. YSL Rive Eye Care Maxi bag. So this is it. Let's try this on. Wait.